EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for February 6th, 2023. It is Monday, back to work, and the Monday video forecast is proudly sponsored by Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Kinsley's ShopRite is celebrating with all NFL football fans, and will get you ready for the really big game this Sunday, February 12th. They have their wing bar featuring jumbo wings, cold or hot, for only $5.99 a pound. You can couple these great wings with their other catering specialties, such as a cheese or shrimp tray, a 3 or 6 foot hoagie, and the freshest cannolis from their bakery department. Kinsley's ShopRite is the world's largest ShopRite, and they will get you ready with everything you need for the really big game this Sunday, February 12th. They are Kinsley's ShopRite, located at 107 Kinsley Drive in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Proud sponsors of the Monday video forecast. So first thing that kind of jumps out at you on the image behind me is this really large storm that's off the coast here, and that is going to remain there. Was not timed with any cold air shot. We had a cold air shot that was in place Friday, Saturday. We warmed up Sunday. Today is going to be maybe a degree or two cooler than what we saw on Sunday, but it's still going to be milder than average. As you can see above me, 41 to 51 is the temperature spread from northwest to southeast, and partly to mostly sunny skies expected today. This is just going to continue to harmlessly move away. And then on Tuesday, we're expecting becoming mostly cloudy with this frontal boundary. This is a weak frontal boundary that's moving at us. It's going to kind of dissipate as we get through the course of Tuesday evening. And should just kind of dissolve over the area. But we will have mostly cloudy skies in association with that on Tuesday. Here's the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to show this off at 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday. And you can see the upper right-hand corner where the timestamp is. And you follow along as I move this forward. But this is just going to kind of fall apart. Maybe a stray spritz here or shower, and very brief. That's it, very light. That could go from late afternoon through early evening across parts of the region, but other areas will just remain mostly cloudy, and that's it. So not a big deal with that. That's the first frontal boundary. The second one is going to come through on late Wednesday night and during the day here on Thursday. This is in association with a warm front, and that's going to get milder temperatures yet as we get through the course of this week, especially once we get to like mid to late week period. We're going to be solidly in the 50s across much of the region, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And so still kind of about the same temperatures tomorrow, just a tighter spread. 43 to 48 on Tuesday is a spread, but then we get up in the 50s on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Partly cloudy skies on Wednesday ahead of this, and this will clouds will thicken overnight. And then the warm front is going to move through on Thursday morning mostly. Then you have some residual showers continuing all the way through evening. It's probably going to have a break in there at some point, and then you have the cold front move through associated with this area, low pressure moving off to the north. This is all rain because it's going to be way too warm for any frozen precipitation. Then once we get beyond this for Friday, we're going to call it partly to mostly cloudy here on Friday in between systems. The cold air is not going to be, that's associated with this next trough coming in, is not going to arrive here on Friday. Friday's still going to be another warm day, it looks like, or warmer than average, I should say, by a considerable margin. Then we're going to watch this end of the week system. I'm going to switch this over to a precipitation type on purpose here, just to show you what this is doing, and move this to a current run here. Here we go. And I move this forward. Here's that same system, and the European model today was suggesting that there was going to be the primary low remaining well offshore and kind of elongated and strung out like this. But it did have some trailing rain or snow showers overnight, Friday night into Saturday morning. And that was with the trailing upper level low. That is possible, so we're going to watch this throughout the week. The GFS is not thrilled with this idea. Has just rain across the region was probably more likely, as I expressed in yesterday's Weather Weekly's video. Just not a really good pattern for snow at this point, and then the upper level low moves through. Maybe a snow shower here, rain snow shower here on Saturday. This actually brings it through on Saturday afternoon. So again, temperatures probably not really conducive for snowfall. Anything that happened here would have to be perfectly timed and tracked, like a perfect thread the needle scenario, and it's just not looking like that's going to happen. So we'll continue to follow that throughout the week, but as far as snow is concerned, I think you might get something out of this, mostly rain showers, but we do have an opportunity for some rain/snow showers here as this system pulls away and the cold air rushes in here at the end here. So we'll continue to monitor that throughout the week. It does look like the weekend's going to be a little bit cooler, though, with temperatures back to near average on Saturday, maybe near to slightly above on Sunday. But We will be taking a step back from the 50s that we're experiencing Wednesday through Friday, it looks like. And then once this system pulls away, again, we're going to warm up once we get beyond this, once we get beyond that into the following week, starting on Monday of the next week. So this is just a transient, quick shot of cooler air, and that's it. So if this can link up with this, so this cold air can be fast enough to link up with this coastal low here, we might be in for something, but I just don't think it's going to happen. I think the probability is very low. Again, we'll continue to watch that throughout the week just in case, but don't get your hopes up, is what I said in yesterday's Weather Weeklies video. I'm going to continue to say that here in today's daily forecast video, too. I don't see anything really pointing in that direction right now, but we'll continue to follow that throughout the week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for February 6th, 2023. Have a great Monday.